What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackmon here with Paramount Property Investments. Right now, I am at a single-family residence in the city of Akron on Russell Avenue. Just checking out this property to evaluate it to see if it would be a good fit for our portfolio. We actually are looking to buy a number of properties in the area. Really, this video is to talk to local investors out there. We do acquire properties and then make sure we package them right to sell them off to other investors. So whether you're a fix and flip investor or you are a landlord, we have the best real estate deals in town. They can all be purchased at 65% on the dollar, including rehab. So if you would like to be added to our buyers list, definitely give us a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit our website, www.investparamount.com.